Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. We are here today with Natalie_H_nails. We are doing baubles, and these are my rendition. I hope you like. We've got 3 nails done. We got 2 more to do. Let's get started. We've got some Glam polishes out. Some of I've used. Let's see what we've used so far. My purple is Twilight Tints. My pink, Heart Glow. My blue is Bright Blue. I'm sorry if I'm a little fidgety and I'm in pain. I might be making some noise. Oh, I got a sciatic nerve going on from my back. Usually it's the hip, but this is it's like shooting in 2 different directions, and it's going all the way down to my left foot. And I can't sit still right now. So these 2 nails, they may take me a while. Oh dear God, be with me. I'm gonna turn the bell around. Give me just a minute. Oh shoot. I gotta take a minute, I'm sorry. Working out, trying to work it out. I'm just standing up right now and I'm trying to move about, and it's hurting. All the way down to my foot, mostly my thigh to my knee. It's like, holy cow, Batman. Shoot. Load up our brush. Load up our brush. Let's see if we can sit down. Okay. Okay, there's this one. Clean out my brush. Clean out your brush. Okay, let's see what colors should we put in here. I'm not going to cure just yet. Not to the end. Oh, sweet Jesus. Trying to shift my weight, and I just, whoa. I'm sorry. Again, these are by Glam. You can use my code, Just.nailedIt 30. Okay, here is our nail, a little jalopy dot, but there it is. We're gonna go on to our next one. Oh, we need more white. Where is my white? So Somebody's up. Somebody is up. Okay. Let's do our 9. Let's see. Okay. Lordy. Let's see, what color should we do? I'm going to take this one in the center. Sorry. I need to see it for a minute. And then take this one over here. And then okay, 60 in the lamp. Okay, we're back. I had to rub down and medicate my back with some blue stuff my mother swore by, and that seems to have helped me for right now. I already top coated the nails. Remember, this is a collaboration with Nailed_H_nails. Go give her a check out. Her link will be in the description box, the very first link you come to. Go give her a whirl, check out her video, and subscribe. Subscribe to her channel and check out her rendition of the baubles. I think these turned out super cute. And I had some troubles, as you know. I had some great troubles, but I did the best I could. But they're cute. I think they're cute. So leave me a comment down below. You know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't. Click all on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may slide across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.